And this is the bar. And doesn't the lady there at the bar, she reminds me of Mum, my mother. Beautiful. I'm hoping that this comes out because it's a bit dark. Signora, c'è qualche luce qui dentro? Sì. A bit dark in here. Oh, there's another room here and another section down there. She's going to put the light on for me. See there, nice little area, beautiful little area. Bellissimo ristorante. What a nice little place. Yeah, alpine or semi-alpine. This is just like La Villa, where we stay and have our dinner. Is that where the toilets are there? Okay, let's get back up. Yeah, it didn't do too badly on the climb. Felt good, the left leg especially felt good. So, yeah, thanks to all the people who've helped me out. And here's Georgia with our friend. Okay, over and out.